The automotive industry has always been a symbol of progress and innovation, epitomizing the spirit of human ingenuity. From the invention of the assembly line to the development of electric and hybrid vehicles, the industry has continually pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Yet in recent years, a new wave of innovation has emerged, driven by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore 5 ways in which AI is revolutionizing the automotive industry, transforming the way we design, manufacture, and drive cars. So sit back, buckle up, and let's take a ride into the future. First, the use of smart manufacturing. Factories are using AI-powered robots and predictive analytics to optimize production lines, reduce downtime, and increase efficiency. These robots are equipped with machine vision, allowing them to identify and sort parts with incredible speed and accuracy. By streamlining production and reducing waste, AI-powered factories can save millions of dollars each year. In fact, according to a report by Accenture, AI-powered factories could increase efficiency up to 30%. Second, the development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are already on the roads in some parts of the world, and they are set to become increasingly common in the years ahead. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. They can analyze traffic patterns and adjust their routes in real time, making them safer and more efficient than traditional cars. In fact, the report by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration found that self-driving cars could reduce accidents by up to 94%. Third, the use of smart mobility. This refers to the use of AI-powered apps and services to make transportation more efficient and convenient. For example, ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft use AI algorithms to match passengers with drivers, reducing wait times and increasing efficiency. Meanwhile, AI-powered navigation apps like Waze can provide real-time traffic updates and suggest the fastest routes. By reducing traffic congestion and improving transportation options, smart mobility could save commuters up to 1.2 billion hours per year, according to a report by McKinsey. Fourth, the use of predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI algorithms can predict when a vehicle will need maintenance, allowing mechanics to make repairs before a problem occurs. This can reduce downtime and prevent breakdowns, saving time and money for both drivers and manufacturers. According to a report by Deloitte, predictive maintenance could reduce maintenance cost by up to 30%. Fifth, development of electric and hybrid vehicles. AI algorithms are being used to optimize battery performance and extend range, making electric vehicles more practical for everyday use. For example, Tesla AI-powered range mode uses data from car sensor and the surrounding environment to optimize battery usage and extend the car's range. As a result, the market for electric and hybrid vehicles is growing rapidly. According to a report by Allied Market Research, the global electric vehicle market is expected to reach $802.81 billion by 2027. From smart manufacturing to electric vehicles, AI is revolutionizing the automotive industries in ways that were once unimaginable. As we continue to develop new technologies and push the boundaries of what's possible, the future of transportation looks brighter than ever before. And that's it for our video. We would like you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that we may keep you updated about the latest technological development. Thanks for watching.